Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, then welcome for the first time. Make sure you subscribe and hit the post notifications so you know when I post a new video. Also, I am vlogging and posting every day on my other channel, so be sure to check that out. The title is pretty self-explanatory. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my 2-strand flat twist. So if you want to see how I do that, then just keep watching. Oh my god, I almost dropped the camera. Alright, so I've already parted this front section of my hair, and this is the portion we're going to be working with. And just excuse the dandruff, this is pre-wash, and as you know, I did not want to wash my hair. No, I am not throwing up gang signs. These are the 3 fingers that I use when I'm flat twisting and, for that matter, braiding my hair. So these are the 6 main fingers that you're going to be using on both hands. 2 of them are going to be your grabbers, so they're going to grab and incorporate new sections of hair into the twist, and 1, the middle finger, is going to be the anchor. Since this is a 2-strand flat twist, I'm going to section that first piece of hair off into 2 sections. And this is going to be a flat twist that goes back. It's not going towards my forehead. So I'm going to start with the section of hair closest to my forehead and bring it back with my middle finger. Basically what we're doing here is the bottom part, that section of hair that's closest to your forehead, is basically trading places with the other section. So you're going to take the bottom section with your middle finger, cross it over that top section, so they're in a twist now. Now that we have that first twist completed, we're going to start incorporating new hair into the twist so that it stays flat to your head, which is why it's called a flat twist. Your anchor hand is holding all the hair now, so with your free hand, you're going to take your index finger and your thumb finger, and then you're going to pinch that bottom section of hair and add a little bit of new hair into that section. Now you're ready to do another twist. So you're going to take that bottom section of hair, and then with the top hand, the middle finger, you're going to incorporate that new hair and twist it over. Here's a different view that might be a little easier. So you're using your thumb and your index finger. You're going to go under that first section, incorporate new hair, and then twist it over top and sweep it all together with that middle finger. So pinch new hair in, sweep it in with the middle finger. Now I'm going to go to the other side of my head and show you a different view. So with this twist, the section that's closest to the forehead is going to go under the other section. Then with the thumb and the pointer, I'm going to grab a little bit more hair and cross it over. And you can see here a little better. You're going to take the thumb and pointer finger, incorporate some hair, and sweep the other section over it with the middle finger. So you're incorporating and sweeping. You're going to pinch, incorporate, and sweep. So for this twist, that front section of hair is going to sweep over the back section. So start with your 2 pieces of hair, and you're going to take that section closest to your forehead. With your middle finger, you're going to sweep it over the back section of hair. And then with your pointer finger and your thumb, you're going to take that under portion, you're going to pinch some new hair and incorporate it into that under section, and take that first piece of hair and cross it over. And now here comes the sweeping part. So you're going to sweep that new incorporated section over the original section again. This is so hard to explain, you guys. I just want to come over and do it for you all. I just want to twist everybody's hair so I don't have to explain it. But I do hope this video is helping somebody. So all I'm doing is incorporating new hair by pinching it and then using the middle finger to twist it over the top. Alright, so in this zoomed out view, you might notice that my backhand is actually letting go for a second. That's only so I can free up the middle finger to sweep that front hair into the twist. So you have to readjust how you hold your hair with that backhand so that you can sweep the hair from the front to the back. So that is it, you guys. That's how I do my 2-strand flat twist. I really hope that I explained it well, and I hope that you could see everything I was doing. I wish my hands were transparent so you can see through them to see how I was grabbing the hair. But let me know if you have any questions, and let me know what you want to see next. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.